Hi, I'm Ellis, Senior Applications and Sales Support for Capital Robotics. Today we're going to be discussing spot timer. Let's go ahead and dive in. I'm going to go ahead and set up my weld process, my material, and my wire diameter. And then I'm going to use OTC's spot timer. Okay, I select crater fill until it goes to spot. Then I'll select the spot timer where I can make adjustments to this time. This is valuable in tack welding and stitch welding. I can set this all the way up to 10 seconds if I choose, and I can create tack welds or stitch welds based on that. So I'll pull the trigger, it'll weld for X amount of seconds, and then it'll automatically cut off. So I've set my spot timer to 2 seconds. That should give me a fairly short stitch weld. So as you can see, using the spot timer allows for very consistent stitch welds. For more information on the Welbee, please visit our YouTube channel, as well as our website at www.capitalrobotics.com.